The end of an era is approaching for Porsche's fourth-generation 718 series, which will bow out of production this October. But before the curtain falls, Porsche enthusiasts are being treated to one of the most unique creations ever to emerge from Stuttgart's collaboration with its partners. Enter the Tulip, a one-off Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS with the Manthey Kit, blending breathtaking performance with exclusive Dutch-inspired design details. This extraordinary car was born from a collaboration between Porsche Netherlands, Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur, Porsche Sonderwunsch, and Manthey Racing. Commissioned by Porsche's Dutch importer, the car takes on a vibrant character with a pastel orange paint finish, chosen as a tribute to the Netherlands' national color. The bold hue not only covers the main body, but also highlights the carbon fiber hood intakes, aero discs, and even the Porsche lettering on the rear spoiler. It's a striking combination of heritage and motorsport drama. Adding to its national pride, the Cayman GT4 RS Tulip features custom Tulip logos on the front fenders and a Dutch flag pinstripe on the rear wing, sitting alongside the Manthey Racing insignia. The black satin-finished 20-inch forged magnesium wheels bring an aggressive touch, while the rear wheels are partially enclosed by lightweight carbon fiber aero discs, further enhancing aerodynamics. Inside, the attention to detail continues. The illuminated door sills proudly display tulip motifs, a theme that is carried through to the headrests of the lightweight bucket seats. The interior combines black leather with race tex upholstery, accented by pastel orange details, including contrast stitching, embroidery, piping, and even the door straps. The result is a perfect fusion of racing pedigree and national homage. Porsche didn't stop at the car itself. Owners also receive a series of exclusive accessories that celebrate the Tulip theme. These include a personalized car key and case, a special edition chronograph 718 Cayman GT4 RS, and even a pastel orange thermos mug. The latter, limited to 718 units, is available for Dutch fans through the local Porsche eShop, priced at €69.95. Underneath its bespoke exterior, the Tulip remains based on Porsche's most hardcore version of the 718, the Cayman GT4 RS. Power comes from a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine, producing 495 horsepower. Combined with a finely tuned chassis, this engine provides a visceral driving experience that few cars in its class can match. What sets this build apart is the inclusion of the Weissach package and Manthey Kit, the latter being a motorsport-inspired upgrade designed to maximize track performance. The Manthey Kit, which costs nearly $54,000 before fitting, equips the GT4 RS with more aggressive carbon fiber aero components, including a larger rear wing with a gurney flap. Thanks to these upgrades, the car achieved a blistering 703.121 lap time at the Nürburgring, shaving more than 6 seconds off the standard GT4 RS's time. The debut of the Tulip is perfectly timed, as it will be showcased at the Circuit Zandvoort during the Dutch Grand Prix weekend on August 29-31. While it remains uncertain whether the car will stay with the Dutch importer or be sold to a private collector, one thing is certain: this Porsche is destined to become a legendary piece of automotive art. Though the 718 Cayman GT4 RS the Tulip is strictly a one-off, it symbolizes Porsche's commitment to blending performance, personalization, and national pride. For fans, it represents not only the farewell of the 718 generation, but also a glimpse of how far Porsche's customization and motorsport-inspired engineering can go.